no speak, no showing up, no video. It's been a minute and a daggone half since I've been here, and I apologize for that. Y'all, twin parent life, y'all, okay? I have the most beautiful and most amazing twin toddlers on the planet, if you don't already know. Their names are Jackson and Jayla, and y'all, ever since they hit toddlerdom, okay, right around 2, a little bit after that, life got a little bit cray-cray, okay? So it has been all about parenthood, twin parenthood in our household, and so it's been very difficult for me to keep up with uploads here on this channel. But as you guys already know, parenting is just crazy, okay? It's crazy, it's fun, it just takes over everything, okay? And so that's literally what I've been doing, is literally just being a parent to the most amazing twin kids on the planet, okay? So that's why I haven't been able to keep up with uploads here. I've also been sick, as you guys are gonna be able to tell by my voice. I have a lot of congestion going on. I've been sucking on a cough drop, which I took out for the purpose of shooting this video so that I could share something awesome with you guys that I'm so excited to share with you guys. So if you hear me sniffling or any of that, or cracks in my voice, I apologize. I'm trying to get over this cold as fast as possible, okay? Your girl's on the struggle bus, and y'all know I'm always the last one to get sick in this house. Juice brought it home, and the rest of us all got sick, and of course, I'm the last one to get it, okay? So, I wanted to pop in because I had some amazing news to share with you guys. So, for those of you guys who were not able to take part in our January 21-day challenge that took place starting on January 7th, I wanted to let you guys know that we are having a February challenge. It is another 21-day challenge, and it begins on February 18th, okay? If you guys have been following me on Instagram, which you guys should be at Socialite Sande, S-A-N-D-E, but if you're not, my challengers from our January challenge did a freaking amazing, okay? We had someone lose total, because they've been with me for several challenges. They hit their 50 mark goal, and they've lost over 51.6 pounds, okay? I had one of my challengers who's been with me for 2 challenges, has now lost over 30 pounds, almost 31. She's at like 30.6, okay? I had one of our challengers lose 12 pounds in the first week of our January challenge, another one that lost 14 pounds in the first week of our January challenge, and y'all, the list goes on and on. We've had some amazing, amazing, amazing results. And so any of you guys who were on the fence or were not ready to take part in the January challenge, I wanted to make sure that I shared with you guys that we are having a February challenge. It is our Fit and Fine in February 21-day challenge, okay? It begins on February 18th, okay? It is literally for all of 21 days. So I only need dedication for 3 weeks. I will be your coach and your accountability partner, okay? That, in addition to the fact that I will be providing you a meal plan for 30 days, okay? Because if you decide to continue on past the 21 days, which all of my challengers do, okay? I like to give you a full rounded 30-day meal plan, okay? So you'll get a 30-day meal plan, you'll get a 30-day workout plan. You will also have the accountability partner in me as your coach. So I will make sure that you are staying on top of your task to hit your health and fitness goals, okay? Weekly weigh-ins and accountability, okay? In addition to the fact that you will become part of the most amazing, amazing family on the planet, and that is our Team Transformation Fit Fam, you guys. They are just extensions of me, you know, and they have literally become family, and we love on each other, we support each other, we share recipes, we share workouts, we share motivation with each other. It's an amazing, amazing group of men and women that are trying to do the exact same thing that you are, okay, if you embark on this journey with us. So, hit the link that's at the top of the description box. It is a very quick survey. It's super, super easy. It's all of 5.2 seconds. Fill it out, and as soon as I receive that, I will follow up with you and get you started so that you can get started with us on this February 18th Fit and Fine in February 21-day challenge, honey, okay? It's time to get snatched, baby girl, okay, and baby boy, because let me tell you something. Summer bodies are made in the wintertime, honey, okay? So, with all of that being said, all you have to do to take part in our February Fit and Fine 21-day challenge, okay, is hit up the link at the top of the description box. Fill out the survey. It's literally all of 5.2 seconds. It's just a couple of questions. It's super duper fast, okay? I will follow up with you and get you started so that you can hit your health and fitness goals, and we can do it together, y'all, all right? So I just wanted to pop in and share that with you guys. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.